Good morning students, this is your computer class and today we are going to read our next lesson, that is Tux Pain. So open page number 27 of your book. Now I am going to read it, listen it carefully. Hello children, welcome back to Tux Pain. I hope you remember me and the topics which we have learned together in the previous classes. Let us have a quick review about the tools we have learned till now. Students, you have learned Tux Pain in previous classes also. So first of all, we will revise what we have learned in the previous classes. We have learned how to use the paint, freehand drawing tool along with various brush shapes. First of all, you have learned about the paint tool. Next, line tool to draw beautiful patterns, and have also tried our hands at some magical effect using the magic tool. You have learned these in your previous classes about paint tool, how to use it, line tool, magic tool, etc. Now, we have also learned how to save our work as well as open an already saved file. You have also learned how to save your drawing or your work, or how to open the already saved file. Okay, before we move further, here's a picture of the Bill Kendrick. He is the developer of the Tux Pain. Okay, now next is shapes tool. Shape tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygon shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. Now we will learn about this tool. This is shapes tool. This is used to draw different kinds of shape, and this has a unique feature, that is a rotation feature. We can also rotate the shape by any angle on a 360-degree scale. You can rotate your shapes at 360-degree angle also. Let us learn how to draw various shapes using this tool. Now you will learn how to use different shapes. Okay, let us draw a square at various angles. First of all, we will learn how to draw a square using different angles, by making different angles. Okay, now first of all, you have to follow some steps. Okay, so first step is select the shapes tool from the toolbox. First of all, you have to select the shape from the toolbox. Next, select the square from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. Now second is, you have to select this square from the sub toolbox that is given over here on the right side. Okay, you can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Here two shapes are given, that is first is unfilled and second is filled one. Okay, you can select any blank or either filled one. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Then you have to bring your mouse to this drawing area. Okay, bring the mouse, select a point on the drawing area that will act as the center of the square. Now then select the center where you have to just draw your selected shape. Now click and drag the mouse. Choose the desired size and release the left mouse button when you have completed the square. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Now just next step is to drag the mouse over the drawing area and then release it to draw a shape. Now you can see a spun arrow on the drawing area, which is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Try spinning the arrow in any direction to spin the square. This arrow will be given over these shapes. From this arrow you can rotate your shape. Once you are done, click in the drawing area to see the final image. At last you have you have made the shape. Then you can see in your drawing area. Let us draw 4 different square shapes at various angles. Likewise, try your hand with other shape as well. As now you can make whatever you have to make it, 2 square, 3 square, or whatever you can make like this. Here is the spun arrow. From this arrow only you can rotate your shape like this. Okay.